With MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. We're looking at the Sea Ray 21 SPX stern drive. Beautiful layout in the cockpit. Nice sun pad back here in the stern of the boat. Here's your swim platform. You have area for your fold down swim ladder, telescoping. Walk through right here into the boat. Storage compartment where your batteries also will go. Access door. Step into the boat, cup holders, grab handles. Nice captain's chairs. Nice shot of the helm here with a nice Simrad unit. Okay. Stereo. Walk through bow. Nice cushions, plenty of room for everybody to sit. Stretch your legs out. This has the Infinity woven vinyl flooring. Nice shot here, coming in. Cooler in the stern of the boat and/or storage. Nice shot of the engine. 250 horsepower, 4.5 liter MerCruiser powered engine. Plenty amount of storage in here. Additional storage under here. Nice seat. Even more storage. More cup holders at the dash. Owner's pack. Storage in underneath there. This is the Sea Ray 2019 210 SPX. Come see us at Ship Bottom. It's 609-494-2102. This is Patrick Loda. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you.